your team now. Balance, rock, paper, scissors, balance against the team. Thank you for playing with us. Next game, same time, same place. Melda, Sports Center, Amos, Cavite, the Philippines.
Jump ball. Number 9, Pastor Gray. Drive him up onto red, easy 2 points. Number 15. 16, pass to back t-shirt for 3. No good. Rebound for number 7, pass to Gray Santo. Gray Santo to number 9. Number 9 out of bounds.
Yung content ko sa akin kanina.
Number 16. 16 nag-ano sa kapasaan. Pass to sikit na to black t-shirt. Pass to black t-shirt ulit sa dress.
Facebook ko
Black t-shirt to still by number 7. Number 7. Mga sigat. Number 7. May up. Wala. Number 16. Number 16.
Wala kasi paikot yung bola.
Pass to 23 for 2. Wala. Number 9. Number 9. Pass to black and white. Black and white. Black and white to Gray Santo. To black t-shirt. Black t-shirt for 2. Wala. Uy, meron ko lang. Morgan black. Uy. Number 16. 16, nagdadala. Number 16 for 3, tumira. Wala ka kasi kung sinabi sa ginamit na ito. Gainisado to black and white, for 2. Wala ka na Gainisado. Paso number 7, for 3. Nasa ilalim sa black t-shirt, easy 2 points. Score 6-0. Favor of left side. Black t-shirt. Black t-shirt. Magag, Eurostep for 2. Crazy. Number 7. Pass to black white. Pass to back to 7. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Lumaya, kaliwa. Easy 2 points. Number 16. Pass to gitna. Black t-shirt. Easy 2 points ulit. Number 7. To Granizano for 2. It's good. Black na t-shirt, kanya ba ulit? Black na t-shirt, spin move for 2. Foul. First free throw. Pasok yan. Second try. Pasok ulit. Number 7. To black white. Nagana. Sumagat. Paso 9 sa kaliwa. Number 9 to 7 for 3. Nalari pa kay number 9. To black white. To number 7 to Granizano. To Alaksak. Take foot. For 2. Number 7, Eurostep. Butang tabi number 9. Pasok pa, take ball. Score 12-6. Oras 30 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 7 for Minzika. Wala. Rebound number 9. Number 9 to Granizano. Pasok number 7 back to Gray. Going to back pa sa mukha. Black white. Paso number 23. Paso sa ilalim. Bigay ng t-shirt. Yung lalaki ko ng number 7. Number 7. To black. Black. Yun. For 2. Counted. First try. Pasok yan. score natin. Oras, 20 to 35 seconds. Black white. Pass to black finger. Pass to carry down to sa labanan. Tumira wala rin kami number 7. Dinabot ni Kuya. Then sa ato, then dapat 3 degrees sa laban. Black t-shirt. Black t-shirt, tumabaan, lumiyan, Raymond Bino, yun. May number 7, counted. Number 7. First try, wala rin kung may black t-shirt, jogging pants. Number 7. Nasa laksa. Nasa black white, black white. Black white, goes over. Get nila. Black t-shirt, together sa ako. Dapat sa number 7. So pass. So back to number 9. Pass to black white. Wala. Nakikot din number 7. Number 16. Tumira natin na head. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. 12-11. Score 12-11. Last 2 minutes before change scores. Number 7, turn over, pull up, or do it good. Number 16, pass to 7, number 9, sumagad, layup, kanan, good. Black t-shirt, sayang mo, number 7. Malaksak masuk na pa rin pagtutuloy sa ako, pass to 7, pass to 9, pass to 3 seconds violation. Ikot pa. Number 16. Pasay namin kanina wala rin ang gaya ng pass. Last 1 minute. Score 16-11 in favor of left side. Number 7. 7. Pass to Gracie Gracie kaliwa. Pass to black white to Gracie. Sinabi sa gitna ako sa t-shirt. Wala. Sinabi 7, number 7. Tumatagad. Pasa kay black t-shirt. Back to 7. 2 points. Guard, decrease 30. Kakulang kalamanan. Last 25 seconds before change scores. Black white, Recon by black t-shirt ulit. Black t-shirt, tumagat. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Two points. T-shirt, punting ball.
Versus Lan and Jaya.
Black white, nagdadala. Ang gagawin. Black white. Pumasok. Dapat nastin by number 7 to black t-shirt. Layup kaliwa. Good. 17-19. Ready to ano? Pass to number 9 for crossover. Between the legs, pull up, wala. To number 7, pull up, good.
Versus Jillian and Andrew.
Black t-shirt, black t-shirt. Pull the gitna, outing mo. Number 7, thank you, foul.
For 3
Eagle, Essie, big news, black white, score 2, shoot. Black t-shirt, black t-shirt, ito dribble. Black t-shirt, tumira ng press, wala, one goal. Number 7, pulo, wala, ibang ka, black t-shirt, pasok black t-shirt ulit. Black t-shirt yung pass.
Nati and King versus Joy and Nicole.
Number 9, ikada na. Ang gagawin, Eddie, konting back. Drive the back. Wow. Hindi pala, step back pala yan. Number 7, Tony Sano, to black white. Pulo, wala, ibang may number. Black white, to green Sano, left-handed. Pass to black Sano. Ayun ka na ba? Number 16, para kay Bat. Foul counted. Oras na 6 minutes. 21-27. In favor of right side. Pass. Wala. Ibang number 9. Number 9, sumagad. Number 9. Pag-7 sa ilalim, foul. Black white to number 9 to press. Number 9, crossover. Pass to 7 to Gedley. 7. 2 points. Last 5 minutes. Number 7, sumagat. Number 7, dapat Grexano, Grexano, wala. Ibang black t-shirt ulit. Watch, tumira ng rest. Wala, ibang number 7, number 7, sapat ulit, 22 points. 29-23. Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 7, sumasalaksak. On to Grexano, black white. Tumira ng dot, wala. Number 7 ulit. Number 7, black white ulit, for 2 ulit. Kalaban ulit. So number 7 naman ang kalaban. So, pass. Bago silang pass. Tumigil pa. For 2. Number 7, Ignacio. 7, pass to the track. Oh, Yesi. So, black t-shirt, wala to 23. Number 23. 23, pass. Foul. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Score, 29-25 in favor of right side. First try, no good. Next try. Second try. It's good. Number 7. Then Ignacio last. Bugat. First over. Kaya kaliwa. Sa top. 3-point number. Black t-shirt. Black t-shirt sa pagkat. Sigilig pa. Sagot ay pass. Take shoot. Ulit. Para sa kanya. Oras. Last 3 minutes. First try. No good. It's extra. It's good. Still by the t-shirt for 2. With Santos. All the touchdown. Score. 29-27. In favor of right side. Last 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 16, Patrick t-shirt. For 3. Blue, yung pinapagod. Really the ball, sumagat. Kaya kaliwa. It's good for the point. taser. Lock na taser from the number 16, number 16. Number 16 to block taser again. To block taser to left. Block taser, counting bomb, between the leg, bump ulit. Right after the round, more good, people noise. Clockwise, pass to number 9. Number 9, yung magkat, kaliwa, wala. Nag-green sa ano, it's good. We're 2. Oras natin, last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Score, 33-27 in favor of right side. Number 16, 23. Pass, counting bomb clock. Yo, goal 2.
Part 1, Titus and Joel versus Lenar and
With the
Lois.
right. Number 7, thank you for doing good.
Part
Dalawa na
1,
nakalaman na.
Titus and Joel
Last 25 seconds.
versus Lenar.
Kami lang for 3. Wala. Sakit na ulit. Kaya na naman. So, nakatigil. Kaya pwede ba? Thank you. 35, 31, last 40 seconds. Number 7. Number 9, take note. So, black white. Good. Last 13 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And final score 37-21 in favor of right side.
Okay.